This 2018 Forest River Rockwood Windjammer 3029W is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Schoolcraft, Michigan, 49087 and is offered for sale by CampNorth RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.